Not crying because of Bobby. Charlton Heston isn't me or Bobby. Charlton Heston is my truck.
No, this is not because of your truck, Hank.
I think something's wrong with her. Oh, I checked this morning. There was water in the exhaust. Oh.